Dear students, hope you understand previous lecture. Today our topic is scarcity. In economics, the very first and basic concept is the problem of scarcity. So what is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the limited availability of resources in comparison to the limitless wants. Here we will discuss some real-life examples of scarcity. Like people without access of water are experiencing scarcity of water currently. India is facing scarcity of oxygen. These are some types of scarcity, like scarcity of forest, food, and oil. Due to climate change, the availability of these resources become limited. There are also other factors which are causing this, like unfair trade rules, natural disasters causing food scarcity, and excessive cutting of trees and using that land for other purposes also caused forest scarcity. Petroleum products are used in huge amount. Due to its use, demand is greater than supply, so it also causes scarcity of oil in different countries. There are two types of scarcity. One is relative scarcity and other is absolute scarcity. First we will talk about relative scarcity. Relative scarcity is where a good is naturally limited in supply. So, there is only a finite number available. However, we define relative scarcity as being naturally limited, but is also scarce relative to demand. And absolute scarcity is where the supply of a good is naturally limited. In other words, there is nothing humanly possible for us to increase supply. However, absolute scarcity is where the number of goods cannot diminish. Now question is that why does scarcity happen? Scarcity exists when human wants for goods and services exceed the available supply. Now here we must know the difference between shortage and scarcity. Scarcity is a naturally occurring limitation on the resources that cannot be restocked, while on the other hand shortage is a market condition of a particular good at a particular price. Why scarcity is important in economics. Scarcity is one of the most significant factors that influence the demand and supply. It plays an important role in any price-based market. Also, scarcity affects behaviors of individuals by developing negative emotions, which affect individuals' decisions. At the end, our goal should be to make choices that reduce scarcity as much as we can. Because of unlimited wants, we can never eliminate scarcity, but it can be reduced by the right choices. As an individual, what should we do? Firstly, we should realize that availability of natural resources are limited, so we should use them carefully. And don't waste these resources. If we only had more resources, we could produce more goods and services and satisfy more of our wants. This will reduce scarcity and give us more satisfaction from more good and services. All societies therefore try to achieve economic growth. The third way for a society to handle scarcity is to reduce its want. That's all for today. Hope you will understand the concept. See you in next lecture. Till then, bye.